Segment is sponsored by Yes Heating, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electric. Everyone should be warm and comfortable during the cold winter months. Erin is here to share how the ARS Cares program works to help our own community. Welcome to the show, Erin.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, it's great to see you. Okay, what is the ARS Cares program? Tell us all about it.
So ARS Cares started in 2016, and so far it has helped 265 homeowners have a home service makeover in the past 8 years. So it provides furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners to heroes in our community.
Wow, that is so amazing. Okay, tell us a little bit more about the program. Who can it affect and what specific needs does the ARS Cares program aim to address, like within our community?
So we're looking at those everyday heroes, people that have helped heal, inspire, and educate in their communities. We're looking at those heroes. We want to appreciate and recognize them, and so we want to be able to give them a free furnace to help give them warmth during the holidays.
Wow, they are heroes. They absolutely deserve that. Okay, how does the program stand out from other community support programs in your opinion?
So it really focuses on the heroes in the community, those people that are out there doing really difficult work every single day, helping their communities and supporting their communities. That's the difference with our program.
Sure, they're taking care of us. We need to take care of them. Okay, can you walk us through how someone in need can access the ARS Cares program?
Yeah, they can go to ars.com and submit the nomination there, and they have until November 22nd to do that.
Okay.
And then December 9th, we will be selecting the hero in need, and hopefully we have enough submissions that we'll be able to pick multiple heroes that we can help this year.
Yes, crossing my fingers, absolutely. Okay, why is ensuring comfort and safety for the community so important to the company?
Well, the community, they are the ones that call us in need every single day, and so we want to be able to provide for them. We want them to be able to trust us in their homes, and we want to take care of people. That is our goal of our technicians every single day, is to help people.
It's crucial.
It is.
How have you seen this program change people's lives?
Well, it's just gives them a free furnace, a free water heater. When at times it might be difficult for them during the holidays, money is tight, and we're able to provide something that may be difficult for them to get at that moment.
And that's one of the last things that somebody should worry about. They deserve to be comfortable and warm in their own home.
Yes.
Okay, where can we go for more information?
So ars.com, they'll be able to submit the nomination there.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for joining us, Erin. It's great to see you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.